Rule 11 UA1C, determination of fair market value of unquoted shares and securities other than equity shares in a company. So first of all, let us understand what is the meaning of unquoted shares and securities other than equity shares in a company. इसका क्या मतलब है? तो इसका मतलब ये है, number one is your preference shares, and number two, other fixed income securities. That is the meaning of unquoted shares and securities other than equity shares in a company. Meaning what? Meaning in a company, what kind of securities you can have? As far as the shares are concerned, you can have two type. One is the equity share capital and second is the preference share capital. And number two, other than these preference share capital and equity share capital, you will also have the debt securities, and the debt securities are your fixed income securities. So rule 11 UA sub rule 1 small c talks about what? It talks about valuation of unquoted shares and securities other than equity shares in a company. In other words, Rule 11 UA sub rule 1 small c talks about valuation of preference shares and valuation of other debt securities or other fixed income securities. So rule 11UA sub rule 1 small c talks about the methodology for determination of fair market value of the preference shares and of the other securities. That will mean the other instruments other than the preference share capital and the equity share capital. So what is the evaluation methodology that you will follow for the evaluation of these preference shares and the other instruments that the company may have issued? That is, price it would fetch if sold in the open market on the valuation date. So preference share capital है and other securities हैं. other securities में क्या आ जाएगा? कन्वर्टेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर आ जाएंगे, कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर आ जाएंगे और बॉन्ड्स आ जाएंगे, डिवेंचर्स आ जाएंगे, नॉन कन्वर्टेबल बॉन्ड्स आ जाएंगे, वारंट्स आ जाएंगे. सो ऑल सिक्योरिटीज अदर देन द प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल एंड द इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल विल बी पार्ट ऑफ द अदर सिक्योरिटीज. सो अब इनका आप वैल्यूएशन कैसे करोगे? इनका आप वैल्यूएशन करोगे, सो द मैथडोलॉजी विच इज प्रेस्क्राइब्ड as per rule 11 UA sub rule 1C and small c. How will you do the evaluation? You will do the evaluation price it would fetch if sold in the open market on the valuation date. So that is going to be the methodology for the purpose of determining fair market value for these shares and securities. अब इसके लिए what you will need to do? You will need to have a report from a merchant banker or from a chartered accountant. So either you can approach a merchant banker or you can approach a chartered accountant, get a report from them, and that they will be authorized to do the evaluation. In case of rule 11 UA sub rule 1 sub rule C small c and again small c, and that is how the methodology for valuation of unquoted shares and securities other than equity shares in a company.